Okay, so I'm scrolling and I seen this video that was reposted. Start off by saying this is for entertainment purposes only. This is me talking about what I see and my experiences with this department. So I am very familiar. This is the city that I'm from, and these young people look like they were pulling into an apartment complex. And as you can see, they were parked in a parking space, meaning that the officers, had to have been following them closely at some point in time down the road. I had to describe this area. It is a low income based area, and this is an area that they monitor heavy. The main roads is it Ward Boulevard, if I'm not mistaken. So they would have to follow them down Ward Boulevard. They would have to turn down a side road, and they would have to ride through a neighborhood going through speed bumps to pull up behind these people. And I did not see any sirens flashing. So I did go back and watch the first video. In the first video, the two people were getting out the car. No, they were pulling up. So the gentleman was requested to get out of the car by the people, and they were very aggressive. Now the young lady, she's 17. She got out the passenger side, and she wasn't doing anything. She wasn't causing any threat. She got out that side, and she walked like to the front of the car. Time it's already one officer roughing up the gentleman, and he's letting them know, look, she's a minor. And the other person from the window was already videoing what was going on, and they were telling them as well, hey, she's a minor. According to the name I seen up there, which is Good Night, I don't know if that's his real name or what, but that is what is on the front of his clothing. He proceeded to cuff the young lady that is 17. Now, mind you, she was the passenger. Okay. And I'm not going to lie, it did look like she was, resisting, because, like, really, everybody's trying to understand, like, what is your issue with her? And being extra rough with her, he was just like yanking and pulling her after he got the cuffs on her with her hands behind her back. And he proceeded to, like, acting like he was trying to drag her with them, walking to the car and throw her in the car. And not only did he just try to throw her in the car very aggressively, he had her hair wrapped just that is what he was holding to try to force her into the car. At this point, more of his colleagues were present, and there was more people videoing at this point in time, telling all of them, look, she's a minor. Like, you're really doing this to a minor. You don't have to do all of that to her. And I'm not gonna lie, when she got out the car, she was not doing anything. This is the city of Newport News, Virginia. Chief Drew is the chief of police. And I am very familiar with how a lot of his people handle things. You doing all them coffees with me, and you smiling, going up and down the road with this, whatever you do, a coffee with Drew, whatever. What I need for you to do is use that money wisely and get you some better trained officers and how to de-escalate situations. Because, see, what's about to happen with this said change of laws or whatever you want to do, people not going to take it lightly no more, my friend. And I'm just trying to educate you, and I've tried to educate you face to face, and I've talked to many of your people, and you thought it was a joke. As a native, it's time to get it together. But I'm going to go ahead and play the video, y'all.
Why you pushing on her? No. Why you pushing on her?
She's a minor.
She's a minor. Get off of her. You being recorded. She's a minor. She's a minor.
Somebody choking her neck. Calm down. She's a minor. He was choking her. Okay.
Look how he doing her.
He grabbed her hair.
Fuck you talk about you gonna get it.
He dragging my motherfucking daughter.
Why he pulling her by her hair? Come on, dog. Listen, don't let him. This is my niece. Don't let him do that to my niece. Don't let him do that to my my niece.
Back up, man.
No, call the chief.
You can record.
Call the chief.
You can record, but I need you to back up.
Hey, yes, there you go. Talk to her, because what he doing?
Back up.
You got a nasty attitude.
You sure do. You don't need to be on this force because she a minor.
Yeah, you handle my daughter like a man.
Glasses broke because you roughing up a little girl. You can't have no kids. Where your kids at? How old are your kids? Where your kids at?
She's 17 years old.
Is your camera on?
You 17
cam
years
on?
old. No, his camera not on.
That's some soft ass shit you just did to that little girl.
Word.
That's some soft ass shit you just did to that little
Hey,
girl.
Camp, hey, what's wrong with you, Camp, man? You come on, man. You ain't new to this. You true to this.
Showed up after, guys.
I'm telling you, get him.